Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing super duper great. If you guys are new here, then please I request you to subscribe to my channel by clicking the red subscribe button down below and also hit the bell icon right next to it so that आपको notification आ जाए मेरी हर new video का. So today's video is going to be my 101 series of how I do my base makeup and how I try to do my base makeup flawlessly and beautifully and without any patches. So in this video I will be sharing with you all few of the tips and tricks how I do my base makeup and how I prepare my skin for the makeup and what are the steps I follow before doing my makeup. So if you guys are interested in knowing how to achieve a flawless and beautiful makeup and base makeup just like this, then please keep on watching. So while starting off with your makeup, you need to have a clear skin and also clean hands. Secondly, if you want to keep your skin hydrated, you need to drink a lot of water. And thirdly, for a flawless skin, you need to wash your face twice a day, in the morning and night, following up with your suitable moisturizer and a sunscreen. Now starting off with the makeup, I'm using this T&W's rose water. This helps to moisturize and refresh your face, and this is also good for all skin types. Now secondly, for the moisturizer, either I use this Biotique Morning Nectar Moisturizer or I use this Cetaphil Daily Advanced Ultra Hydrating Lotion, and both of these are suitable for all skin types. And so today I'll be using this Cetaphil one and just taking a little bit amount on my palm and just massaging my face beautifully. Also, never forget to apply some moisturizer on your neck. Next, I'll be using this Biotique's Bio Seaweed Revitalizing Anti-Fatigue Eye Gel. This is really good to hydrate your under eyes, and this is in a gel form, and this is really good to hydrate your under eyes and massage your eyes. Now here comes the most important step. Do not forget to apply sunscreen whenever you step outside, and today I'll be using this Neutrogena's one. So always purchase a sunscreen or a sunblock which has a SPF above 30. So I really like this one because this is water resistance, this doesn't leave any white cast, and this is also non-oily. So lip moisturizing is also important. Never forget to moisturize your lips before doing your makeup. So today I'll be using this Vaseline one. Now here comes the most important step. So I have two options for you. Either you can use this bio oil on your face. This is really good for scars, uneven skin tone, anti-aging, and this moisturizes your face very nicely. So I just love using this. Or either you can use this Good Vibes Rose Hip Serum. So this is a very nice, very beautiful serum. This works very nicely before doing your makeup. This moisturizes your face like wow. So I'm just massaging it into my skin and giving it some time, and do not forget to apply some on your neck too. So as you can see how juicy and nourished my skin looks right now after the serum. So next I'll use this Sugar Cosmetics primer to hide my pores and uneven skin tone. So next for the under eyes, I'm using this Maybelline's Fit Me concealer and I am in the shade 20 Sand. So I'll just apply it under my eyes just like this. Some on my forehead, around my nose and some around my lips. Now to blend out the concealer, I'm using this brush from Cuffs and Lashes, and this is an angular brush, so this really helps to blend the concealer. And then I'll be using this Wet Beauty blender from Color Bar, or else you can use your hand to blend your concealer, which works really good. So while blending out your concealer, always use a dabbing motion just like this and never drag your concealer or foundation. Next I'll be using this Wet Beauty blender from Color Bar, and I'll just run this beauty blender all over my face to have a flawless and seamless finish. Okay, next for the foundation, I'm using this Maybelline's foundation and I'm in the shade 230. So I'll just warm up the product on the back of my hand and I'll just use my hands to apply it all over my face. And here I'm using this foundation brush from Swiss Beauty, and this is a really good brush. If you are searching for a foundation brush, go check out Swiss Beauty's brushes. So after that, I'll be using this Color Bar Wet Beauty blender again to have a flawless finish, and I'll just run it all over my face. And lastly, to set everything in place, I'm using this Maybelline's loose powder and I'm in the shade 15. And as you can see, I've used just a little bit, and I'll just use this angular brush and I'll apply it under my eyes, dusting off the excess and applying some under my eyes so that my eyes do not crease. And here I'm using this Cuffs and Lashes F014 powder brush. This is a big powder brush, and taking just a little bit, dusting off the excess and just powder my face with this. So this is how my base looks like, and I'm really happy how it turned out. So I'll just finish it off with some rose water again, or you can use some setting spray, and this one is from Wet n Wild.
Alright you guys, so I have completed my full face of makeup behind the camera, and now I am totally done with my makeup, and I've shown you how I achieve this flawless base and how I do my base makeup before doing all of these steps. So try to follow all of these steps which I have shown in this video, and I hope आपको ये video helpful लगी हो, interesting लगी हो, and I will share the next and the second step in the upcoming video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye, take care.